There is an indefinable, mysterious power that pervades everything. I feel it, though I do not see it.
Mahatma Gandhi, an iconic leader of India, left an indelible mark on the world through his philosophy of nonviolence. His unwavering commitment to peace and nonviolence inspired the Indian nation and continues to resonate globally. Born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India, Gandhi grew up in a devout Hindu household. Studying law in London, Gandhi confronted racial discrimination, ignited his passion for equality. Gandhi's transformative experience in South Africa marked a turning point in his life. Witnessing the apartheid system, he pioneered the concept of Satyagraha, a peaceful resistance movement grounded in non-violence. Returning to India in 1915, Gandhi spearheaded the struggle for independence from the British colonial rule. He employed various non-violent techniques, including strikes, boycotts, and civil disobedience campaigns. The Salt March of 1930, where thousands marched to sea to collect salt in protest, highlighted Gandhi's ability to galvanize public support. Gandhi's teachings extended beyond political liberation. He emphasized the power of non-violence as a catalyst for social change. He believed in power of nonviolent resistance. His principles of nonviolence continues to inspire individuals across the world. Gandhi's life was tragically cut short on January 30, 1948, when he was assassinated by a Hindu extremist. His death deeply impacted millions, but his legacy continued to shape generations to come. Ehsan Noor, 2 मिनट में